Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Honda Odyssey radio code. This code is essential if your radio stops working after a battery change or power loss. It's a security feature designed to prevent theft. Don't worry, retrieving it is a straightforward process. We'll cover the steps to find your radio's serial number and then use that to get your unique code. First, you need to locate your radio's serial number. For many Honda Odyssey models, this number is conveniently printed on a sticker inside the glove compartment. If it's not there, you might need to press a combination of radio buttons, like presets 1 and 6, while turning the radio on. Your owner's manual will provide the precise method for your specific vehicle. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and control your smart home devices. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once you have your radio's serial number, head to the official Honda Radio Code Retrieval website. You'll need to input your vehicle identification number, or VIN, along with the radio serial number you just found. If you prefer, you can also call Honda customer service directly. They can help you retrieve the code over the phone, ensuring you get the correct one for your Odyssey. With your radio code in hand, it's time to enter it into your Odyssey. Turn on your radio and you should see the word code displayed. Use the radio's preset buttons, typically numbers 1 through 6, to input each digit of your code. For example, if your code is 53211, you'd press the 5 button, then the 3 button, and so on. After entering the full code, your radio should unlock and work perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.